Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is for the students of class 6 of I.C.S.E. board. The subject is physics and the chapter is physical quantities and measurement. I have done the complete exercise of this chapter. Now let's start the topic. Test yourself. Part A, objective questions. Number 1, write true or false for each statement. A. SI unit of temperature is Fahrenheit. It is false. Number B. Every measurement involves two things, a number and a unit. It is true. Number C. Mass is the measure of quantity of matter. It is true. Number 4. The SI unit of time is hour. It is false. Number E. The area can be expressed as the product of lengths of two sides. It is true. Now come to the question second or question 2. Fill in the blanks. A. The SI unit of length is meter. Of time is second and of mass is kilogram. B. Degree Celsius is the unit of temperature. C. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. 1000 kilogram. D. The zero mark in Celsius thermometer is the melting point of ice. E. The thermometer used to measure the human body temperature is called the clinical thermometer. F. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. G. The mass of an object is measured with the help of a beam balance. With the help of a beam balance. Let me tell you that if you find it difficult to understand what I have written, then please listen to my words carefully. You will be able to understand everything. Now come to the next page. Match the following. Number 3, column A and column B. A. Length of a housing plot. It is connected with number 4 of column B, that is measuring tape. Number B. Breadth of a book. It is connected with the number 6 of column B, that is meter ruler. Number C. Mass of an apple. It is connected with number 2 of column B, that is beam balance. Number D. Period of time for study. It is connected with the number A or number 1 of column B, that is clock. E. Temperature of a body. It is connected with the number 3 of column B, that is thermometer. Number F. Surface area of a leaf. It is connected with the number 5 of column B, that is graph paper. Number 4. Select the correct alternative. Number A. The symbol of degree Celsius is number 1 degree C, number F, number 2 degree F, number 3 K, number 4 degree K. The correct option is number 1 degree C. Number B. 10 millimeter is equal to number 1 centimeter, number 2 1 meter, number 3 10 decimeter, number 4 10 centimeter. The correct option is number 1 centimeter. Number C. The amount of surface occupied by an object is called its. number 1 volume, number 2 area, number 3 mass, number 4 length. The correct option is number 2 area. D, a meter ruler is graduated in number 1 meter, number 2 centimeter, number 3 millimeter, number 4 kilometer. The correct option is number 3 millimeter. E, a thermometer is graduated in number 1 Kelvin, number 2 degree Celsius, number 3 gram, number 4 centimeter. The correct option is degree Celsius. Now let's come to the part B, short oblique long answer questions. Number 1, what is measurement? How is a measurement expressed? Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Come to the next page. Value obtained on measuring a quantity is called its magnitude. Magnitude of a quantity is expressed as the number in its units. Question 2. State two characteristics of a unit. Answer. Two characteristics of a unit are: A, it should be of convenient size. B, it must be universally accepted. Its value must remain the same at all places and at all times. Question 3. Name 4 basic measurements in our daily life. Answer. In our daily life, we measure the following 4 basic physical quantities: A, length, B, mass, C, time, D, temperature. Number 4. What are SI unit of? Number 1 mass, number 2 length, number 3 time, number 4 temperature. Write their names and symbols. Solution. Quantity, SI unit and symbol of SI unit. Number 1 length, SI unit of length is meter, symbol of unit is m. Number 2 mass, SI unit of mass is kilogram, symbol of unit is kg. Small k, small g. Number 3 time, SI unit of time is second, it is symbolized as small s. The quantity is temperature, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin and the symbol is K. Now come to the next question. Question 5. Define 1 meter, the SI unit of length. State its 1 multiple and 1 submultiple. For answer, let's come to the next page. Answer. 1 meter is defined as the distance travelled by light in air in 1 by 299,729,458 of a second. Multiple of meter, kilometer, submultiple of meter, centimeter. Question 6. Convert the following quantities as indicated. A, 12 inch is equal to 12 by 12 equal to 1 feet. Number B, 1 feet is equal to 30.48 centimeter. Number C, 20 centimeter is equal to 20 by 100 equal to 2 by 10 equal to 0.2 meter. Number D, 4.2 meter is equal to 4.2 into 100 is equal to 420 centimeter. Number E, 0.2 kilometer is equal to 0.2 into 1000 is equal to 200 meter. F, 0.2 centimeter is equal to 0.2 into 10 equal to 2 millimeter. G, 1 yard is equal to 0.91 meter. Now question 7. A, describe in steps how would you measure the length of a pencil using a meter ruler. Draw a diagram if necessary. Number B, explain with an example how you will use the meter ruler in part A if the ends of the ruler are broken. Come to the answer of this question. Answer. Part A. To measure the length of a pencil using a meter rule, place meter rule with its marking close to the object. Here, let PQ be a pencil. The end P of the pencil coincides with the zero mark of the ruler. The end Q of the pencil is read by keeping the eye at the position B vertically above the end Q. So the length of the pencil is 4.3 centimeter. You can see the diagram measuring the length of a rod PQ with a meter ruler. The length of the pencil is 4.3 centimeter. At C it is 4.4 centimeter, which is wrong position. At A it is 4.2 centimeter, which is also a wrong position. Part B of the question. The ends of the ruler get damaged with use and its zero mark may not be visible. To measure the length of an object with such a ruler, the object is placed close to a specific markings on the ruler and the position of both ends of the object are read on the ruler. The difference between the two readings gives the length of the object in the figure shown below. The reading of the ruler at the end X is 1 centimeter and at the end Y is 4.3 centimeter. So the length of the rod XY is 4.3 minus 1.0 is equal to 3.3 centimeter. You can see the second diagram. Observe it carefully. Question 8. Name the device which you will use to measure the perimeter of your playground. Describe in steps how you will use it. Answer. We will use a measuring tape to measure the perimeter of our playground. To measure the length of the playground, the tape is spread along the length of the carved area. Number 9. The diagram below shows a stick placed along a meter ruler. The length of the stick is measured keeping the eye at position A, B and C. Question A. Write the length of the stick PQ as observed for each position of eye. Are they all same? Part B. Which is the correct position of the eye? Write the correct length of the stick. At first you have to draw the diagram and observe it carefully. Answer. Part A. Length of stick PQ from A is 3.4 centimeter, from B is 3.2 centimeter and from C is 3.0 centimeter. Hence they are not the same at all. Part B. B is the correct option of the eye, correct position of the eye. B is the correct position of the eye and the correct length of the stick PQ is 3.2 centimeter. Next question. Define mass. Question 10. State its number 1 SI, number 2 CGS and number 3 FPS units. How are they related? Mass. Mass of a body is the quantity of matter contained in it. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. The CGS system, the unit is, in CGS system the unit is gram and in FPS system the unit is pound. Question 11. Convert the following quantities as indicated. Number A. 2500 kg has to be converted into metric ton. Number B. 150 kg has to be converted into quintal. Number C. 10 lb has to be converted into kilogram. Number D. 2500 gram has to be converted into kilogram. Number E. 0.01 kilogram has to be converted into gram. Number A. 5 milligram has to be converted into kilogram. Answer. Number A. 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 metric ton. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1 by 1000 metric ton. That is why, therefore 2500 kg is equal to 1 by 1000 into 2500 is equal to 2.5 metric ton. Number B. 100 kilogram is equal to 1 quintal. So 1 quintal. So 150 kilogram is equal to 1 by 100 into 150 is equal to 1.5 quintal. C. 1 lb is equal to 453.59 gram. So 10 lb is equal to 0.45359 into 10 kilogram is equal to 4.5359 kilogram. Number D, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Therefore, 2500 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 into 2500 kilogram, that is 2.5 kilogram. Now E, 0.01 kilogram is equal to 1000 into 0.1 gram is equal to 10 gram. F, 5 milligram is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 kilogram. Question 12. Name the instrument which is commonly used to measure the mass of a body. State how is it used. Answer. Beam balance is commonly used to measure the mass of a body. When we hold up the balance, we observe that if there is nothing on either pan, the beam is horizontal. Full stop. The body whose mass is to be measured is placed on the left pan. The standard weight is put on the right pan. They are so adjusted that the beam is again horizontal on holding the balance up. The total of the standard weight gives the mass of the given body. Let's come to the next page. Next question 13. Define 1 kilogram, the SI unit of mass. How it is related to number 1 quintal, number 2 metric ton, number 3 gram. Solution. The mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees centigrade or 277 Kelvin is taken as 1 kilogram. Number 1 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. Number 2, 1 metric ton is equal to 10 quintal is equal to 1000 kilogram. Number 3, 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram or 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Question 14. Name and define the SI unit of time. How is it related to number 1 minute, number 2 hour, number 3 day and number 4 year. Answer. The SI unit of time is second, denoted as S. 1 second is the time interval between the two consecutive ticks that we hear from the pendulum wall clock. Number 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Number 2, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 3600 seconds, that is 60 into 60. Number 3, 1 day is equal to 24 hours is equal to 24 into 3600 is equal to 86,400 seconds. And number 4, 1 year is equal to 365 days is equal to 3.15 into 10 to the power 7 second. Question 15. Name 2 devices used to measure the short time interval of an event. Solution. The 2 devices used to measure the time interval of an event are number 1 stopwatch, number 2 stop clock. Question 16. Express in second. Number 1 3 minutes 15 seconds. Number B 5 hours 2 minutes 5 seconds. Solution. Number A, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That is why 3 minutes 15 seconds is equal to 60 into 3 plus 15. That is 180 plus 15, 195 seconds. B, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 5 hour is equal to 5 into 3600 is equal to 18,000 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60 is equal to 120 seconds. 5 hours 2 minutes 5 seconds is equal to 18,000 plus 120 plus 5, that is 18,125 seconds. 17. What does the temperature measure? Temperature measures the degree of coldness and hotness of a body. Number 18. Name the SI unit and SI unit, and number 2, one common unit of temperature. Write their symbol also. Answer. Number 1, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, the symbol is K. Number 2, common unit of temperature is degree centigrade or Celsius, the symbol is degree C. Number 19, name the instrument used for measuring of the temperature of a person. Draw its labeled neat diagram. The temperature is measured with a thermometer. Second part, students have to draw the diagram 2.18 of page 26 and labeled it neatly. Number 20, write the temperature of number 1, melting ice, number 2, boiling water. Answer, melting ice is equal to 0 degree centigrade, boiling water is equal to 100 degree centigrade. You can see that. 21, what is the clinical thermometer? State its special feature. Draw a labeled neat diagram of a clinical thermometer showing the range of the temperature marked on it. Answer, clinical thermometer. Doctors use a special thermometer called the clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of a patient body. Features. Number 1, this thermometer has markings from 35 degree centigrade to 43 degree centigrade. Number B, it has a slight bend or kink in the stem just above the bulb. This kink is called the constriction, which prevents the mercury from falling back all by itself. Number 3, the temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees centigrade and is marked by a red arrow. Diagram. Students have to draw the label diagram 2.18 of page 26. Question 22. What is the normal temperature of the human body? How is it indicated in a clinical thermometer? Answer. The human body's normal temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Number 2, to measure it, the bulb of the temperature is kept under the armpit of the patient or under the tongue of the patient for a minute and then the readings are noted. 23. Can a clinical thermometer be used to measure the temperature of the boiling water? Give reasons for your answer. No, a clinical thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of boiling water because it has a small range and might break due to extreme heat. Number 24. Explain the term area of a surface. The total surface occupied by an object is known as the surface area. Number 25. Name the SI unit of area and define it. The SI unit of area is square meter, denoted as meter square. Number 26. How are the units? Number 1, square yard. Number 2, hectare. Number 4, kilometer square. Number 3, kilometer square. Number 4, centimeter square. Number 5, millimeter square related to the SI unit of area. Answer, the SI unit of area is square meter. Number 1, square yard is the area of a square of each side is equal to 0.9144 meter. 1 square yard is equal to 1 yard into 1 yard is equal to 0.9144 meter into 0.9144 meter is equal to 0.836 meter square. Number 2, hectare is the area of a square of each side is equal to 100 meter. 1 hectare is equal to 100 into 100 meter square is equal to 10,000 meter square is equal to 10 to the power 4 meter square. Number 3, kilometer square is the area of a square of each side is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer square is equal to 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter into 1000 meter is equal to 10 to the power 6 meter square. 4, centimeter square is equal to 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. That would be 10,000 meter square. That is 10,000 meter square. 1 by 10,000 meter square. Centimeter square is equal to 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square. Number 5, millimeter square, 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Millimeter square is equal to 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter into 1 by 1000 meter is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 6 meter square is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Number 27, the last question of this exercise. Explain how you will measure the area of a square. Number 2, a leaf. Number 1, to measure the area of a square, we use the following formula: side into side is equal to L into L, length into length is equal to length square or L square. Now come to the next page, the part 2 of this question. The area of a leaf is obtained by using a graph paper. A graph paper has small squares of area 1 millimeter square each. The area of the leaf will be equal to the number of squares it covers on the graph paper. The exercise is over. Thank you. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and make comments on it. Your subscriptions and comments are necessary for me.